session.
Okay, hello friends. My name is Nitin Upadhyay from finaltherapy.com. I'm joined here today by a very special guest, a former AIIMS doctor, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and a former UK practitioner, physician, and now a mind coach and master NLP practitioner. And Doc, welcome over here. And we just want to talk about your new book here. It's Reach for the Sky, NLP and the Subtle Art of Being at the Top by Dr. A. Abraham, MD. Rise to the Top of the World. Any words regarding this book?
That's fine, just a collection of my notes.
Okay, collection of your notes. And this is your second edition, is it?
This is the fifth, actually.
It's a fifth edition, okay. Yeah. So anything special we can look forward to?
We just added a few more chapters, like Therapeutic Communication.
Therapeutic Communication, now.
And small chapter on mindfulness. So
Okay.
I thought we need to complete the area of interest.
Oh, great, great. Well, I look forward to reading this book. And if I could just have you sign this for me and personalize it for me. And I'd like to bring in a student of yours from the past, Dr. Amitabh. And you know, your student is doing quite well. She's been trained by you. Any words for you?
I'm just amazed at the way she has picked up, and the sky is the limit.
Yeah, the sky is the limit. Okay.
I'm glad I met you finally.
Okay.
I've learned so much about you.
All right. Well, thank you very much for being here, Doc. Appreciate it so much. Okay.